get it almost every night. When that moon is big and bright, it's supernatural delight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Everybody here is out of sight. They don't talk and they don't bite. They keep things loose, they keep it tight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Well, hi there pluckers, I was Soul Fingers again with you for another quick guitar lesson, a classic song from a band called Toploader, Dancing in the Moonlight. Okay, standard tuning, capo on the first fret, puts us into the same key that Toploader played this song in. Okay, so it starts off with the iconic intro, and I'm starting off with the G major 7th shape, which is one of these diagonal chords that I love. 2nd fret, top E string from the capo, 2nd fret, top E string, 1st finger. 3rd fret on the 2nd string from the capo with the 2nd finger. 4th fret from the capo on the 3rd string, and 5th fret from the capo on the 4th string. Diagonal chord, just 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and what we're doing we're just doing an arpeggiated sweep down, okay, like that, and then an quick upstroke. So very gentle upsweep, yeah. And then we're going to an A chord, but it's in an F shape chord, 5 frets up from the capo as an A chord, and so it's so it's a sweep. If you hit the A string as well, 5th string open, it doesn't matter because it's the same. Just don't play the 6th string, okay? And then basically you strum that and strum it again, and then add your pinky to the 7th fret from the capo on the 2nd string to make it an A6, and then take it off again. It's very quick. So it's like, sorry, let's do it again, I messed that up. Okay, got that? So, okay, then we do a D rundown. So D chord, hitting the 4th string open to start with, and then you you arpeggiate a couple of strings and then strum, yeah? Then do the same thing but using your pinky on the 4th fret of the 5th string. So I'm hitting the 4th on the 5th there with the pinky, and then the 3rd string, 2nd string and 1st string, yeah? So it's 4th string, strum, okay, got that? Okay, then we do a B minor bar chord, 2nd fret, bar chord, minor shape, hit that 2nd, pluck that to, or fret that to 2nd on the 5th, and then play the 4th string and then strum, yeah. And then lift the bar up, pivot the bar so you're still fretting the 2nd fret of the top E string with the bar, just lift it away from the 5th string. Okay, open up the 5th string, hit the open 5th string, then the 4th string and strum. So it's okay. So now we've got this so far. repeat the whole thing from the G major 7th, and this time we go D with the 4th fret of the 5th string as before, and then the B minor, and stop. Just stop at that point, and then it goes into the first verse. We got it almost. Okay, so let's just do that whole intro again quickly. We got it almost every night. Right, and the verse is very, very simple. It's E minor. We got it almost every night. A major. Then a run down on the D again. As it was before, open 4th string, arpeggiating strum. 4th fret of the 5th string, just like in the intro. And then the B minor. Open 5th string on the B minor, just like the intro. Okay, so after that comes out of the intro, we got it almost every night. When that moon is big and bright, it's super. Back to the E minor again. Natural A. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Open. Okay, so all that rundown on the D all the way through to the open A string. Okay, and then we go into the intro again at that point. Okay, so let's just do that quickly. From the beginning, this is okay. We get it almost every night. When that moon is big and bright, it's supernatural delight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Intro, just the once this time. Everybody here is out of sight. Dark and they don't bite, they keep things loose and make it tight. Everybody dancing in the moonlight. Chorus. Dancing in the moonlight. Same as the verse. Warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural night. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Intro. And so on. You get the whole idea, don't you? It just repeats the whole thing over and over again. So you've got everything there to play that song. Thanks very much for watching, listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.